Jamaican style cornmeal, similar to this African food called fufu. Hey guys, who remember Turn Cornmeal in Jamaica? Turn Cornmeal put me in memories of this African food known as fufu. I hope I got it correct. Welcome guys back to another 5-star cooking. Today I'll be making some Jamaican style cornmeal. So I'll be using some veggies and I will add them in the description box. I'll be using coconut milk, a little hint of salt, a little bit of Maggi bouillon. I use garlic, onion, thyme, scallion, and pepper. And also some pimento that I crushed. I added all these in my frying pan and I use a little bay leaf too. With a little oil, I sauteed this and then I added 2 cups coconut milk. In this, I'll be making a tiny bit of turn cornmeal. Added some butter to this and I just added in the little tomato that I'll be using in it, and the salt, a little black pepper, and the Maggi bouillon. I did have some frozen coconut milk too that I added in this. Now I'll be stirring in the dried cornmeal into this liquid. I stir along as I go so this does not cause any lump in it. And I leave on a medium heat to cook the cornmeal because the cornmeal has to cook. I love when I do cornmeal. It is not hard. It is like really watery. Once it's done, even watery, and it gets cold, it ends up coming like really hard, or it gets really hard. I love a turn cornmeal with fish, so I did a little fish in some noodles, and that's what I'll be serving my turn cornmeal with. Welcome to my channel. If you're new guys, welcome to my family. Welcome to my passion for cooking and my passion for sharing not only Jamaican meals and dishes, but also culturally other cultural dishes. Lots of videos on my YouTube channel, and these are home cooked meal shown maybe not the same day that I do them, but over a period of time. Look at the texture of my cornmeal. It's almost done cooking. There is still heat underneath it, but I love a creamy or a watery cornmeal to eat when it's turned or prepped this way. I did some fish on the side, and this is what I served it with. This is what the meal looks like. This more looks like fufu that I see people, Africans, eating with their hands. This is the Jamaican style / fufu or Jamaican turn cornmeal. If you like this video, please remember to give your girl a like. It is free. It won't cost you a thing to like my videos. Please remember to hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Let me give you a second to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you for coming by my channel. Thank you if you've made it this far in the video, because I know a lot of you don't even watch the videos to the end. I am doing a little thing in the background that I'll be showing you guys shortly from now, because I want to make my videos a little different. So coming maybe early in April, I'll be changing the way how I do the videos. I will let you see me more often in most of my videos. And of course, I added a little unsalted butter on my turn cornmeal because I love it that way. Yes, I want to be more in my videos, so I'll be showing my face coming in April, much more in my videos. Thank you.